Hey guys, my name is Maggie Osama and I'm here to teach you how to use Sparkol VideoScribe to create stunning whiteboard animations. Sparkol VideoScribe is one of the best and easy to use whiteboard animation programs. It is widely used by business or website owners, marketeers, and salespeople to spread their products or services and drive sales without needing to have any previous experience with animation, coding, or graphic design. Also used by online instructors who want to create high-quality explainer and engaging videos to their students. At the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation to start creating your own amazing whiteboard videos with VideoScribe. You will determine whether VideoScribe is a suitable program to your project or business. You will learn how to produce eye-catching whiteboard animations that highlight your brand or product with no design or technical know-how. You will also get to practice what you have learned throughout this course. What do you get in this course? 2 hours of premium VideoScribe video lesson, premium support from instructor to answer any questions, and feedback on your own video projects. I'm confident you'll learn a lot from this course, and if you're not satisfied, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm here to help you with any questions you may have, wishing you all the best and looking forward to seeing you inside.